Welcome back. 2011 Toyota Sienna, 370 some thousand miles. It's got a flange gasket, not a exhaust manifold, but on the pipe, one of the gaskets has gone bad. And it's leaking, and it's actually making a rattling noise because there's virtually nothing left of it. So we're going to go in here, we're going to take that joint apart, put a new gasket in, put it back together. Hopefully we don't break anything and it goes pretty well. We'll see. There you can see what's left. Very little of the gasket right there. I'm going to get in there and just put it with a screwdriver and try to pry that out and get that out of there. And I'll show you the new one. We'll get the new one. There it goes. Not much left. I'm just going to put the bolts back in. New bolts and nuts. It. Not very difficult at all. Well, that's it. Replaced that pipe gasket on the exhaust on this 2011 Toyota Sienna. Not very hard. Fortunately, I had a couple of new bolts here already from another job that I ended up not using, but they were the right ones for this. So put new bolts in, put the gasket in, bolted everything back up. No broken bolts, no issues, so went pretty well. If you had to do this for your Toyota Sienna, I hope it, man, that was really good. I hope it helps you out. If you like the video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.